Hi, and welcome to another edition of Lee's Thoughts. And today, a vendor sent me another product. This is a free product. This is a paid review. Let's get straight to it, shall we? As you can see, we're full-time RVers. We are out in nature every day, so this is a great product, and it's even a better product than I thought it was. Stand by to find out why. So, this is a pair of binoculars. Really cool binoculars. Comes with a carrying case, shoulder strap. Also has a belt strap, which I think is really nice. Let's open these puppies up and just see what they look like, shall we? Really nice. So it's from the Horin company, and really nice. They got covers. Oh, the covers are attached. Love that. Keeps scratch free here, and they have covers for here too. Really nice. That, I mean, the last couple of sets of binoculars I've done have had the protectors on it. Really nice to keep those lenses safe. Really nice. I love that. And now these are 12 times magnifiers. 12 times. So, I mean, that's a really good. So I'm going to take my glasses off here, and I'm going to look up here at the pool. We have a pool up here. Okay, so up here at the pool, I would say the pool is probably 150, a good over 100 yards away. And there is a yellow sign on the pool house there with an emergency phone number on it. And I can see it through the fence, clear as day. There's a CPR sign up there. I can see and I can read clear as day with these binoculars. And what's amazing to me is the clarity of vision I have with these. Really crystal clear, just crystal clear vision. Really nice. So here's something that came with these binoculars that I thought was super, super cool. Because, you know, rangefinders, binoculars, things like that, I always go, God, it would be so cool if I could show you, the audience, what it looks like to look through these. It came with a phone mount. How cool is this? So you can put this on the binocular, and your phone mounts right here to the thing. So the next shot you see is going to be through the binocular. Stand by. I will show you the yellow sign I was just looking at. How about that? Well, there you go. There is looking through the binoculars. My hand is, you don't have to shake much in a binocular, but it's kind of cool that they have this. There's a tree. Here's another sign over here. Again, this is about 150 yards away, and you can read those signs even through a binocular in my phone. That's kind of a cool little attachment, don't you think? And I can adjust that to get a little less blurry, I think. But that's how that looks here, this attachment. It attaches to the deal. I'm not going to say it was the super easiest thing to get that aligned, but once you got it aligned and locked in, it was great. So if you wanted to take a video of something, a bird you were watching or something like that, you could do that. It was kind of cool. I'd never seen that with a pair of binoculars before. So pretty cool. Go out and get your Horin binoculars today.